Tips for getting dog to eat. So my dog, Husky/Elkhound, 13Y, recently went on thyroid meds. I'm in contact with the vet and they know the situation, but at this point I'm struggling a little with getting him to eat his dry food again. We did lower the initial dose which helped, but we're waiting to see how the new dose works and I have the appointment already for the blood work. He used to love his dry food, but slowly has been eating less and less. I've tried adding boiled chicken, which he picks out of the food. I've tried the flavor toppers, which he sniffs but walks away from. I've tried using warm water to make it softer and more aromatic, but nothing. He does eat his wet food, but realistically I can't afford feed him just that. He will eat hard biscuits and even things like rawhide or bone treats. His teeth are fine, but he has been losing weight. What else can I try? If I can't get him eating regularly by Friday, the vet said to bring him in again, but I'd like to try something in the meantime.